Thanks for watching this Tech to Connect video tutorial. The topic of this tutorial is how to use Alexa on your Amazon Fire. We will go over how to set up Alexa and how to use it. First, we will go over how to set up Alexa. You will need to turn on and open your Amazon Fire. From your home page, you will want to locate and open the Settings app, which looks like a gear. A menu will open. Find and press on the word Alexa. From here, press on the gray switch to the right to turn on Alexa. Turning on Alexa will allow you to use voice commands to open apps, play music, and answer questions. The switch should now be orange, meaning Alexa is set up and turned on. Next, you can press on hands-free mode. Again, press the gray switch to the right to turn this on. Turning on hands-free mode means that you can activate Alexa by just using your voice, which we will go over soon. This leads us to how to use Alexa. Once again, you'll need to turn on and open your Amazon Fire. To activate Alexa without using your voice, locate your navigation bar. Hold down on the home button, which is the center circle. When you do this, you will hear a chime and a blue bar will appear over the navigation bar. This means that the tablet is now listening to you and you can begin talking to Alexa. Now, we also turned on hands-free mode, so we can access Alexa without the home button. Just say Alexa or Hey Alexa, and the blue bar will appear again above the navigation bar. Alexa? You can now talk to Alexa or ask a question. Alexa can talk back to you to answer your questions. When you first use Alexa, it may ask you if you would like Alexa to learn your voice. Doing this will make it easier for your tablet to understand you. You can say yes and go through some questions with Alexa. Today, I will be skipping this step. Let's go over some examples. First, I want to know what the weather is like today. Alexa, what is the weather like today?
Right now in Laramie, it's 77 degrees Fahrenheit with partly sunny skies. Today's forecast has intermittent clouds, with a high of 80 degrees and a low of 55 degrees. Happy Wednesday.
Alexa, how many days until Christmas?
Christmas will start in 157 days, on Saturday, December 25th, 2021.
To exit a page Alexa has put you on, you can press the home button. Alexa, open the camera.
Here's camera.
Alexa, how do I make tomato soup?
Okay, for tomato soup, here's a few recipes.
Now, there are some things Alexa cannot do, but Alexa will let you know if it does not know how to help you or if it cannot understand what you said. You can try speaking louder or asking your question in a different way. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to check out the rest of our video tutorials on the Tech to Connect website.